Hey DMV, this is Vernon Bond with Exit Landmark Realty.
And your favorite realtor, Mika Jenkins, also with Exit Landmark Realty.
Now, we may have mentioned this before, but every month we're going to be hosting a real estate seminar. Now, each month the topic may be a little bit different. Now, one month we may talk about the home buying process. One month we may talk about the home selling process. Another month we may talk about real estate investing. I'm a real estate investor myself and I have a lot of information to share. But more importantly, on December 1st from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., that's just 2 hours, at our office in Clinton, Maryland, we're going to be hosting our next home buying seminar. So I'm going to let Jamika talk about what we're going to discuss.
I will be going over 5 first-time home buying tips. Vernon will be going over our great Home Partners program. It's a great program where you can rent your home for up to 5 years and buy within that same time frame. And then our loan officer, Mark McNeil, will be going over grants and how to build your credit within a short period of time.
So again, on December 1st, make sure you come out to our office in Clinton, Maryland from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. We're going to be having refreshments and most importantly, you're going to be learning about real estate.
Make sure you RSVP in the link below so we have a good head count. We will have giveaways, of course, free lunch on us, and great knowledge of first, second time, third time home buyers of how to get into a house with little to no money down.
Can't wait to see you there.
See you in a few weeks.